VSPM Dental College and Research Center, Nagpur. Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry. Glass ionomer cement. Introduction. A cement is a substance that hardens to act as a base, liner, filling material, or adhesive to bind devices or prostheses to the tooth structure or to each other. Glass ionomer is a water-based cement. ADA specification number 96. GIC acquired its name from its composition of glass particles and an ionomer that contains carboxylic acid. Extensive use of this cement to replace dentin has given it different names like dentine substitutes, man-made dentine, artificial dentine, aluminosilicate polyacrylic acid. Composition: powder silica oxide 30.1%, aluminum oxide 19.9%, aluminum fluoride 2.6%, calcium fluoride 34.5%, sodium fluoride 3.7%, aluminum phosphate 10%. Liquid: polyacrylic acid 40 to 50%, itaconic acid, malic acid, tricarboxylic acid, tartaric acid, and water. Classification: according to uses: type 1 luting, type 2 restorative, type 3 liner or base, type 4 pit and fissure sealant, type 5 luting for orthodontic purpose, type 6 core buildup material, type 7 high fluoride releasing command set, type 8 atraumatic restorative treatment, type 9 pediatric glass ionomer cements. Type 1 GIC luting cement, a chemically cured strontium based glass ionomer cement ideal for basic routine luting of the restoration. Topic of demonstration is type 1 GIC manipulation. The armamentarium includes GIC luting powder, liquid, measuring scoops, mixing paper pad, and agate spatula. Dispense 1 scoop of powder onto the pad using measuring scoop as shown in demonstration. The powder and liquid ratio is 1.8 grams to 1 gram, that is 1 level scoop of powder to 2 drops liquid. Hold the liquid bottle vertically and squeeze gently. Dispense 1 drop of liquid in corner, which can be used in case of insufficiency. Dispense 2 drops of liquid in center for mixing. Close bottle lightly immediately after use. Using the agate spatula, divide the powder into 2 equal portions. Mix 1 portion of powder with all of liquid and gel such that all the particles get immersed in liquid, and then mix with pat and fold motion for 5 seconds. Incorporate all the remaining portion and mix thoroughly for 15 seconds using pat and fold motion. Mixing is continued till string consistency is reached, which can be determined when the flat surface of the spatula is pulled from the mixed material.